you sponsor your TN worker for a green card? Sarah Wingard here from Wingard Law and Three Amigos Recruiting. Now, between our U.S. immigration law firm and our TN visa recruitment agency located in lovely Guanajuato, Mexico, we handle a heck of a lot of TN visas. So if you'd like a free consultation with one of our attorneys, or if you'd like to speak to one of our recruiters down in Mexico, please use the links in the show notes below. So back to the question at hand. You've got a fabulous TN engineer and you want to sponsor that worker for a green card. Can you do it? Heck yeah, you can. I mean, this is a good thing. They support your company mission, they're a good fit for your company culture, and you want to make it permanent. Now, there is a lot of outdated information out there. And this is because the TN visa is a non-immigrant visa and a green card is an immigrant visa. This means that when the worker enters the United States on a TN visa, they must have the intention of leaving the United States when their visa ends. What this doesn't mean that a worker cannot change their intent or change their mind once they enter the United States and begin working for your company. So before COVID, and this is the reason for some of the misinformation, before COVID, Mexican workers would only be granted a TN visa for a year at a time. Now, this basically meant that there just wasn't enough time to sponsor that worker for a green card while the worker remained in the United States and working on their TN visa. But now, basically, the U.S. government will routinely grant a TN visa for up to 4 years at a time. This is great. I mean, this is great because it means that you can complete the green card process during that 4-year period of time that the TN visa is granted. Now, one thing to note, you will need to wait 6 months from the time the worker enters the United States on a TN visa to make sure that, and you also have to make sure you have sufficient time left on that TN status to get the green card application to the 9089 stage. But basically, as long as you do those things, you can go ahead and sponsor that worker for a green card. So give us a call. Let's get a 9141 wage determination filed and get the process started. Sarah Wingard from Wingard Law and Three Amigos Recruiting, legally recruiting to save you.